Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Box of Luck. Attract greater fortune into your life. This has 60 cards and I love the packaging. This is published by Laurence King, retailing for $14.99 in the UK and $16.99 in the US. This is by Grace Paul and illustrated by Camilla Perkins. As always, in the description box below, I will legitimately link where you can purchase this should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media links as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. All right, let's get into this. So it says, let the Box of Luck help you attract greater fortune into your life. Featuring 60 cards divided into 6 categories. So they would be collect luck, live lucky, dress lucky, increase luck, inspire luck, and 2 bad luck cards to ward off ill fortune. Interesting. Okay, so, oh, we got the thummy and the finger pull thing here. I love that. Okay, the inside of the box, that's so pretty. A little evil eye action. I don't know what this is. Make your own luck. Looks like they're little affirmations. Maybe you can cut them up. There's the back. Maybe the guidebook will say something. Okay. Oh, that's it. This is a little guidebook. Okay. What is luck? Luck around the world. We have, or live lucky here. Lucky numbers. How to calculate your life path number. Awesome. Your lucky charms and stone colors. So it goes by zodiac sign, it looks like. Okay, and then here it is, how to use the cards. So you can use these cards for guidance and to provide a boost of luck into your life wherever you see fit. It may be daily, or you may want to do it before a big event, such as a work presentation or a first date, or perhaps you want to choose one card as your specific lucky charm. There are 60 lucky charms in this deck of cards grouped into 6 categories. All right, so let's just go over again what the categories are, and then we'll get into the flip through here. So, collect luck. These charms will help you gather more luck into your life. Live lucky. These objects are associated with the home or certain areas of your life where you might want to attract more luck, such as business or studies. Dress lucky. You can boost your luck by the way you dress, be it by wearing red, one of the luckiest colors, or carrying a dress lucky card to ward off bad luck. Then we have increase luck. It doesn't matter whether you're already lucky or not. Everyone can benefit from increasing their luck, and the objects in this category are perfect for this. And inspire luck, we have spotting these lucky charms will make you feel luckier and more positive about your life. And lastly, ward off bad luck, because life is never 100% perfect. You'll find 2 unlucky charms in this deck with advice on how to ward off bad luck. So whenever you need a bit of luck, shuffle the cards, follow your intuition, and pull one at random. Carry the card, or if you have it, the object itself with you. Place it where you might need the most luck and use it as a talisman. Awesome. Okay. Well, let's get into this and see what else this has in store. Oh, it looks like that's just the little bottom of the box there. Okay. It does look like the backs are color coded into the categories, and we do have the categories up in the right corner on the back. So that's really cool to see. So no confusion there. Let's just take a look at the cardstock. Not too shabby. There's a slight gloss to them, but they're not too thick, not too thin. I know I say that a lot, but that's how I kind of verify what's going on here. It's kind of like in the middle in that sweet spot. We'll see how it shuffles. It's really flexible. All right. Bring you in a little bit closer here. I just want to see the back. Okay, so it does have what the luck group is up here, the item name, what it's lucky in the culture for, and then a little bit about it, and then how to capture luck. All right. We'll go deeper after we flip through the cards and read the back. Looks like amber or a fossil. Amber, okay. They're fun. Oh, the color green. Okay, I was like, ooh, paint? Chimney sweep, interesting. So we're in the live lucky category right now. I like the color coordination. That's really nice. I think this is fantastic to learn about different lucky things from around the world. I think this would be good to like ask for how you can invite more luck into your life. If you want to use these cards as talismans, I feel like that's a great way to do it too. So we're in the dress lucky. Triangle, that's interesting. I didn't know that that was like a lucky thing. The art is really fun. Cat's eye. St. Christopher, okay. Oh my gosh, the wishbones. Was that ever a tradition in your family? Because we kind of had that. We didn't do it all of the time, but every once in a while we would. But yeah, not really my cup of tea. This is interesting. Oh, I love. Okay, so these are the 2 bad luck cards. So we have a magpie, a lone magpie, unlucky in the UK, and then the number 13, unlucky in several cultures from around the world. Okay, so let's see how it shuffles. It is pretty stiff. Yeah, it's pretty stiff to get a flexible shuffle out of. Not too bad this way though. Can I get a, oh, there it is. We're going to read for the key. All right, so as a reminder, here's the front. And then this is from the category Dress Lucky. And it says lucky in several cultures around the world. The opening of a door often signifies new beginnings with all of the hopes and dreams they promise. So keys, because of their power to open doors, are often associated with the same concept. In fact, dreaming of keys can symbolize new beginnings. Keys were taken as a status symbol by the Vikings. Skeleton keys are also believed to bring luck, as is a combination of 3 keys, which in Japan represent the doors to love, health, and wealth. How to capture luck. For anyone with a charm bracelet, a key charm makes a lovely lucky addition. All right, so what I think this is a pretty decent deck. I don't really particularly like the cardstock. However, if you're going to be carrying it about your day or carrying it with you, it's a great cardstock for that. It's a little hard for me to shuffle. That's all. I think it's fantastic for learning about the different symbols of luck, different luck in different cultures. However, I don't know how, if this is participating in appropriation of some of the cultures. I don't know about that. So take that with a grain of salt. I really don't know how to take that. However, I do think that this is a good price point. I think there's value in this. If you are trying to add more luck into your life, this would be great for that. If you are wanting to use this as a daily draw, as far as like what or how you can bring luck into your life, this would be good for that. For me personally, I don't know if I would use this too much. I don't know if this would be something that would be an everyday thing for me. However, I think that this is good for like a learning experience. And, you know, I look at this more of it in that aspect than anything else. However, if you are somebody who uses symbols and the physical cards to do like law of attraction or manifestation work, this might come in handy. Or if you like to have these cards for spell work, that would be great for that as well, because you're not needing the physical representation. This might be a good like substitute for that. So yeah, I mean, I guess there's a lot of different ways that you can use this deck. I just don't know how I personally would use it other than what I've mentioned. So, did any of you purchase this deck and have used it already? What do you use it for? What do you think this is used for? Because to me, my natural inclination is bookmarks. I didn't read anything that would tell me what else you could use these for. or maybe you cut them up and, you know, pull out of a container. I don't know. Educate me, please, if you know what those are all about. But I'm going to turn it over to you. Do you have it? How do you love it? Do you like it? Do you use it? If not, if this is something that you are curious about, let me know. Let me know all of your thoughts about this down in the comment section below. I would love to hear your opinions on it. It's been around for a little bit, so if you do have it, let me know what you think of it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you and I appreciate the heck out of you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.